Okay, we are on the trail now. I'm gonna attempt to take a video here, but she's being kind of bratty, so it might get bumpy once in a while. Like right now. Come on. She tries to turn around constantly because she doesn't want to work. Knock it off! And she's really smart, so she senses that I'm preoccupied with the camera, and she's going to try it more often because she's a little brat. Aren't ya? Knock it off! Anyway, this is the trail that our barn is right on. Coming up to the road, you can tell she's thinking about something to get away with. Oh. She's about to lose a butt shot. Get moving. No fighting in the road. Come on, bird, just go. Kind of acting weird because there's so many trees down from the storm, and she thinks that's an excuse to be naughty. Justice used to do the same thing. He wasn't scared of anything. He just pretended to be so he could stop working. Horse's #1 objective is to be lazy and eat. Knock it off! Tree from the storm. Come on, there's nobody over there. Come on. Come on. Stop being a brat. Nice big field. Too bad we can't go run around in it. Bird wants to.